Hi guys, my name's Link from Gardening Express and today we're going to be talking about compost. Choosing the right compost can be one of the most important decisions for your garden and plants. Now you must be thinking, surely dirt is just dirt. Well, you're wrong. Compost isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of solution. It's really important to pick the right one because it can affect your soil structure, plant growth and nutrients. It can be make or break for your plants. Let's start with multi-purpose compost. It does what it says on the tin. It's great for a whole range of plants. This includes flowers, vegetables and shrubs. It's also great for sowing seeds, using in planters and topping up flower beds. Now, just because it's multi-purpose, that doesn't mean that all plants are going to love it. Some plants do need specialist soils and we'll talk about that next. Ericaceous compost is for acid-loving plants like rhododendrons, azaleas, camellias and even blueberries. This soil has a lower pH which allows the plants to absorb the nutrients. If you were to plant these types of varieties in multi-purpose compost, they may experience a nutrients lockout and that could cause the leaves to yellow and even stop the growth. Another major thing to consider is choosing between peat and peat-free soil. Now, peat-based soil has been popular for decades due to its moisture retention and ability to give good root structure. Peat is harvested from natural bogs which are vital ecosystems and also major carbon stores. This is why a lot of gardeners are now moving on to peat-free compost. These types of composts are made with more sustainable materials such as composted bark, coconut fibre and green waste. They're much better for the planet and compete just as well as peat varieties. They may need a little bit more attention when it comes to watering and feeding, but that's about it. To sum up, understanding the different types of compost will help you make the right choices for your garden. If you want to learn more about compost and general gardening tips, make sure you check out our Knowledge Hub. If you've liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Till next time.